Hello. Right, I'm just having a play about in my garage. This is my dad's strimmer. Bought it brand new. It worked for about half an hour and stopped working again. So I've had it over. I've had the carb off, cleaned out the jets. Yeah, so I've had the carb off. I've cleaned the jets out, cleaned the carb out. It's getting fuel. I've had the spark plug out. I've changed the spark plug. It's got plenty of spark. I even changed the coil, and like I say, it's got plenty of spark. Checked the air filter, checked everything. It'll run for seconds and then won't run at all. So I'm presuming it's got an air leak somewhere. So like I was saying, I've had it all apart. I even put a drill on this side, kept it running, trying to get it running, and the bloody thing doesn't want to go. So the only thing I can think of is compression. But it sounds like it's got good compression, or it's sucking in air from somewhere. So either the gasket, or it's got a crack somewhere. Maybe it's obvious. It's getting too much air, I think. So anyway, I've made myself a pressure transducer. I made this ages and ages ago. I've never ever used it. So I'm gonna have a play today and see what it's like. So I've got that's me 5-volt supply. I got this from eBay. Label's peeling off. And I've got my cable going to channel 1. And I've got my pressure transducer here onto a quick fitting. I've already loosened the spark plug, so I can take that out. I've got my fittings here. There's 2 different fittings. I've got no, that was only a cheap set. This just have a go on and see what it's like. Right, so that's on. Quick fitting. See if I can get it on 100. What's it on? What's it hooked up? So I'm on channel 1. 500 millivolts, and I'm going to do 500 milliseconds. So let's see, I've got my power hooked up. So the battery, that's my test battery up there. Not that one, that's my Focus ST battery. So I'm using the Handtech. So let's try it. Let's see what it's like. I might knock his over, like. So we're ready for, wait for it to go past again. If this camera doesn't fall over, we can have a look. So I'll wait for that to go back over again. I'll stop that. And then we'll zoom in. Zoom in a bit more. So that's 115 volts. How cool is that? That is cool. I like it. This bloody phone thing's knackered. Sorry guys. But that is cool. Let's try and zoom out a bit. Still zooming in. That is cool. So there's only 3 the same one before. One's a little bit higher. So anywho, that's how it works. It's awesome. Cheers.